friends, Anke here with a new mixed media layout inspiration featuring the February hip kits. For today's layout I'll use these ink pads and the stencil which are included in the February color kit and the February 2023 Nested Hearts metal dies. First I cut 3 strips from white cardstock. Take the ink pads from the February color kit and swipe over the paper strips to color them. Don't put too much pressure on the ink pads, otherwise the foam could be damaged. Now I apply a layer of modeling paste using the stencil which is included in the February color kit. I want a heart-shaped photo for my layout, so I use the February Nested Hearts metal dies to cut and frame my photo. I use washi tape to keep the die in place. Now I cut lots of hearts in different sizes from white cardstock. I want to add some hand stitching, so I pierce holes first and then stitch using threads that matches the colors of the 3 ink pads. Then I cut hearts from the Hip Kit Club exclusive Essential Solids Petal, Lilac and Blush papers, which you can find in the February cardstock kit. I layer the hearts and add some machine stitching. pierce holes in each of the mixed media paper strips, set eyelets and add some twine. And as you can see, I have added small paper hearts before setting the eyelets to add a cute little detail. I glue the paper strips on my page using foam strips to add dimension. Then I arrange the paper hearts and my photo. My title is a combination of the Always and Forever puffy alphabet stickers, a die cut from the Always and Forever cardstock ephemera, and a vellum die cut, all included in the February main kit. I backed the vellum die cut with white cardstock, otherwise it wouldn't be visible on the mixed media background. A vellum butterfly and a vellum word die cut, which I also back with white cardstock. The vellum butterfly is from the Always and Forever butterfly and mandala vellum die cuts pack, which you can find in the February embellishment kit. The word die cut is from the vellum die cuts pack, which is included in the February main kit. Now I choose some of the chipboard floral stickers, which are included in the February embellishment kit, and some fussy cut flowers and add them to my layout. Then I decorate each stitched heart with one of the puffy heart stickers, which you can also find in the February embellishment kit. I cut off a word strip from the cut apart mini word and phrases strips, which are included in the February Pocket Life kit, back it with white cardstock and add it to the orange mixed media paper strip. Finally, I add another fussy cut flower and more puffy heart stickers. this is my finished layout. I hope you like it and enjoyed watching the process. Thanks so much for joining me.